Hey y'all, welcome to Vista Acres Homestead. I'm David, and here's Maggie. Maggie, tell everybody hey. Yeah.
Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel.
All right. What we're going to attempt to do today is build a pond. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to attempt to build a pond. I traded for this old stuff from a buddy of mine, trade buddy of mine, and I don't even know what I traded for it. Oh, I traded an old John Deere lawnmower and for it. That's what I traded for. I had two of them John Deeres. Y'all probably seen them if anybody's been following the channel. And I traded one of those off. And he's real tickled with the trade. He got it running and he was happy. And I don't know about me, but anyway, I'm happy. We'll get this thing set up. Because Maggie knows what she's doing. Right, Maggie? There goes Jordan. Okay. All right, we're gonna get started. Now, I'm gonna get the tractor first. This is my thinking on this thing. Is I need to get, I think I'm gonna get this one set first, then set that one. Or no, I'll set this one, and then I'll set this one. So that's what we're going to try to do first, is set this one. Right here's where it's at, so wish I had some spray paint. Alright, I'll kind of know about what I'm going to leave that laying there. Maggie and I, we're going to go get the backhoe. Supervisor over here. We'll get back to the digging.
Alrighty, as you see here, David is trying to set the elevation on the pond. This is the most important part. It's also the hardest part. It's not really hard, it's just tedious because you have to move around and get it exactly right as you want it for the overflow. You see Maggie in the background, and she's there trying to help David. She loves to drag the water hose. She loves to chase the mud or sticks or whatever you do, and she's always involved. She's such a hoot.
Big thing here, y'all, I just want to see if it flows. And then I also want to fill that up there so it'll sink down, and then I can start filling our way around it. Oh, let's go ahead and see how that's going in there. That ain't looking bad. It's all going in. Maggie, looking good? Looking good, ain't it, Maggie? Maggie says she thinks he's looking good. I'll go here and fill this in, put some rocks in there.
Koi ponds are so nice to have. We had one in the backyard of our house when we lived in the subdivision, and it was so nice to come home from a long day's work and just sit out by the pond and listen to the frogs and watch the koi swim around in the pond. You just felt so much relief from a long day. And decorating around it, I love to do yard work. I'd rather do yard work than clean the house. I love to be out in the yard all the time. So I love to decorate around the pond. I had hostas and flowers and bushes and shrubs all around that pond. I'll have to insert a picture in there. Maybe I can get David to insert one in here and let you see it. But we really enjoyed that pond. It was a lot bigger than this little pond, which David may expand this one out. He sometimes gets too big with them, but and my son has one also, and his is a pretty big koi pond, and it's really pretty. He's decorated around it. We may insert a picture of his also, but yeah, if you get a chance, just if you just start out with a little pond, you can expand on it later and enjoy it. And just like I said, it just relieves so much anxiety and stress just to sit there by the pond and relax. Had at the house in the subdivision, we were always afraid that the raccoons would get in the pond. We had a family of raccoons that visited at night to eat our cat food. Our cats would actually eat with the raccoons. It was kind of funny. I have a video of that. It was really funny. But we were always afraid that they would get in the pond and eat the fish. But they didn't seem to bother the fish. We did one time have an owl that was getting the fish, and David put a net over the pond and the fish crawled up on that net, and we lost a bunch of fish that way, and they were big fish. David was just sick. I mean, he was just in tears. He was so sick because he had had those fish for quite a while, and he had grown them out to be really big fish. They were beautiful. He had some butterfly kois, and he probably lost about $2,000 worth of fish. So he was really sick. So yeah, trying to keep the owls from getting them. He messed up himself, but you learn from your mistakes, I guess.
Alright, y'all, what I'm trying to do now is kind of go back and backfill it right here.
Guy was called Rodney about the camper.
Never heard of Rodney.
No, that ain't Lifeforce. That's a red helicopter.
One of those that cuts the tree.
You gonna use the top one as your bob? You gonna use the top one as your bob, did you say?
Yeah.
Don't get too hot, honey. It's hot out here. Don't get too hot. That looks really good, though. It's perfect.
Yeah, that should keep it from breaking. That was the biggest thing, get enough water in it. You know,
Yeah. I hope the pump works. Not if we combine that one.
yeah. All right, y'all. That gets it in the ground. I say, I hope the camera got all of it. Oh, go GoPros. Yeah, actually, it'll come out of the top up here.
Yeah, that's real good. Makes me have to pee. This one will be that water. You gonna put fish in it, or you just gonna have it?
There's plants, I think.
Huh?
I think just
Spring
plants.
cats want you to have fish in the food.
Yeah, it's true. Probably not.
Just like my birds. Hey, what is classic solution? Vitamin?
Vitamin.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna take this pump here. Try to. Put it over here. I think this old hose may have.
Those blue flowers just keep getting bigger. They must be fall.
It may leak.
Later, you reckon? If they're later the flowers. The blue flowers in the back.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're pretty.
Hey y'all, we appreciate you watching the video.
Huh?
Next video we'll do some decorating around it. Angie will put some hostas and we'll put some rocks around it and try to make it look pretty, and then also get that fountain that I'm working on right there, get it to where it's not leaking. I'm gonna have to put a clamp or something on it. But y'all, we appreciate each and every one of you watching the videos, and hope you come back to see us. And thank you for watching.
Yeah, I'll have to go ahead and fix that line. Gotta get the key, Maggie. All right, Maggie. Mission accomplished.